We are changing our planet for the better. Our sustainability plan focuses on 5 key areas: emissions, energy, waste, water, and materials. CO2 emissions are heating up the planet. We will reduce our emissions by 30% by 2025. We will use more clean energy and carbon capture technologies to get there. Our goal is to be carbon neutral by 2045. Our factories use a lot of power, but every year we find ways to lower this amount. We are installing more efficient systems in our plants, and we will reduce our use of fossil fuels by plugging into green electricity. We have worked hard to eliminate waste every day in every facility. Our strong focus on process improvements and recycling is key to this work. The result? Fewer resources will be dumped in landfills. We're looking at our water consumption too, and finding ways to curb our industrial thirst. With efficient systems and reuse, we can save more of this precious resource and help keep it clean. Our customers are also going green, and our materials and seals help them meet their goals. We offer advanced technologies that facilitate cleaner, more efficient energy use in customer applications. Our low-emission sealing solutions portfolio is the core of our efforts. In addition, we're pursuing new materials made from bio-based ingredients. Becoming greener at Freudenberg has never been so important. It's our long-term promise, and our employees are making it possible.
Freudenberg, innovating together.